Now that we finished the top part of the model, we need to fold the box part. To do so, you see this inner square here. You will see it even better if you turn the paper over. Here's the square. And here are some little triangles that aren't part of the square, but we just fold them in on all four sides. Just like this. All around. Now we're gonna fold the bottom edge of the model up to the middle line. Be careful because we can't lay it flat on the table because there's the structure on the back side. So you have to carefully fold it up to the middle line, arrange it here. It wants to unfold a bit, but to keep all the layers together. To flatten the crease, you can turn it over and flatten from above. Repeat this on all four sides. Carefully fold it up, turn it over, and fold the crease all around. Okay, when you've done this on all four sides, we're gonna fold this part of the model here in half again. Take care of the little triangles. And sharpen the crease. And repeat this all around. Like this. Unfold the little triangles on all four sides. And now, here's this little square. And we want a valley fold along this edge that lies here. So just fold it over and press it flat from the outside. Like this, and push it to the side. And if you look, here's this little pocket, and push the triangle into the pocket, just like this. Okay, and the next one. Fold in half, fold it over, and push the little triangle into the pocket. And the next one, fold in half, fold it to the side and push the little triangle into the pocket. And the last one. like this. Okay, if you wanted a large lid, you could just leave it like this. It locks together. But I feel that it looks better if it's only half that size. So we use these creases we made earlier and begin at the corner and carefully push the paper in, working our way around. Go to the next corner, push it in carefully. Look that this here doesn't slip out and all the layers hold together. Grab it, push it in, and the next one. So now press the paper in, especially at the corners, make them nice sharp. And your knot box is done.